Hello, Twisted Family, it's me, Blue. Now we're going to be doing something a bit different. As you can see, I'm going to get tortured. That's what's going to happen. Blue is doing a blindfold tasting test. Now, the one thing I'm a very gaggy person. I don't like things I don't know. And the best way of doing that is blindfolding us. And I've got no idea what I'm going to be eating. No idea. I'm dreading it. And I've also, to show you it's all legit, I got a bucket in case I'm going to be sick. Because I probably am. Right. So in a second, you're going to see us blindfolded. And there's going to be a hand come across. And it's going to feed us. Or I'm going to feed myself and make a mess. So, please enjoy. It's for your fucking entertainment. Okay? Assholes. Let's begin. So, Twisted Family, wherever you are, I can't see a thing. Let's begin. Ugh. It's liquid. Have they seen what it is?
Yes. No sniffy. Just drinky drinky.
What the fuck is that?
But it must let you deal with them for seconds.
There's a bit in it. There's a floater. Touched it.
Take a big one.
That's not too bad. I can deal with that. Yeah. It's quite refreshing.
That was
Yeah.
rose flavoured milkshake with basil seeds.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that's not bad. That was nice. What the fuck's next?
No, this is coming on a spoon. No sniffy sniffy. Straight to mouthy mouthy. Get it in your mouth.
Ooh,
Get it in your mouth and chew.
that's seafood.
Come on, Blue.
Ugh. That's a mussel. What you bastard? I know what that is. Ugh. Hold a sec. You dirty bastard.
Pickled mussels.
Oh.
Take another drink of your drink to clear your mouth. Because you quite like that.
That was dirty. Dirty. There's something on you.
Nope.
And
What is that? Ah! 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 Ah!
Don't try it again, you daft cat.
Ah! What is it there?
I don't know what it is.
Ah!
Vindaloo cooking sauce.
Go, you asshole!
You clean the spoon off.
No! Take it! Oh! Ah!
Move your left
Oh
hand.
my god!
Move your left hand 2 inches to the side.
Fuck you!
Clench there, you dick.
Oh! Oh! Oh god! Oh, my eyes are watering.
Right, number 3.
Maybe no more seafood. I want to press for seafood. Fucking disgusting. Try and give me a fucking horrible. Ah! Ah! What the fuck is it? It's on her again! Oh my god! What the fuck is that? Oh, your lips are on fire! Oh, what is it?
That's horseradish.
Oh god! Take it! Oh, that's fucking awful! Oh!
Oh gosh.
Oh!
Don't clean the spoon off.
Oh jeez.
God! God, that was... Ugh. That was awful. Oh. 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 That was bad. Oh. That was really bad. Fucking bad!
No.
Oh god!
Oops.
Still burning my lips.
Good.
Oh.
I don't like how long this is taking.
No, I've just got to get the whole cap thing off.
What cup?
God.
Oh god. Oh. Oh no. That was horseradish.
Yeah.
Fuck me, that's hot. That's really hot. That was hot in the Vindaloo.
And out.
No! What the fuck is that? I was like jelly. It's not jelly. Oh, it was like a fucking Thomas. Oh, I was like, ah, that's like ass. Bitter ass. Oh. No, that's not nice at all. What is it?
About sour stuff.
What is it?
That is souracha.
I like that.
It's fucking awful.
Super sour.
Oh.
So much so, that can just go.
Oh, ew, it's spilled on me.
Hello.
Ah, stinks.
It smells like egg.
Oh, that could be me.
I do, bastard.
Oh, yeah. Do the juice.
Ah, right.
Wheel up to the table.
There we go. There's a lump on there, so you'll have to put it all in your mouth.
Over mine.
Oh, what was that? Oh, that was disgusting.
Mm.
What the fuck was that? What was that? There was no one. I wasn't chewing that. What was it?
That was a pickled egg.
Oh, you dirty bastard! There's some things in life doesn't have to be pickled.
Yeah, eggs aren't one of them. They're
Oh,
pickled.
I thought I could taste an egg in that. Oh,
Would you like to remove your blindfold now?
And have a look.
are we done?
Yeah. Take your blindfold off.
Dirty bastards.
Oh, Steph's got to go home selling the pickled eggs.
I know, I spilled it on me.
Right, should we finish off there? We're crying. Dickheads.
All right.
Which, which one's the worst?
Up to straw.
All right.
What's the worst? It's a fucking slug! It's a silly slug!
My big bit.
He's an arsehole!
Mmm.
Right.
Oh, stuff yours.
That stuff's fucking disgusting. Right!
From then.
Twisted family.
Now you've got to rank them from worst to best.
I'm exactly going to do that, Mr. Kelly. Right. So worst. That's fucking horrendous. That is disgusting. So that's worse.
So what are they, Mr. Blue?
That one. That's worse. Right. Then. That one.
Turn the label front.
Then that one. Then that one. And then that was the best. So yeah. That was terrible. And to the one that's going to be watching this,
The one.
who got me that? You fucking arsehole. What a dickhead. Fucking honestly, dirty bastard. Was it wrong? Wrong. I hate sour stuff, man. And that should come with a warning label. I'll burn my fucking lips off.
You know what?
That wasn't too bad.
Mm.
You're not affected.
Love horseradish.
Something seriously wrong with you.
Yeah, I know.
So yeah, I hope he's enjoyed it. I didn't. Don't know. No. That was the only thing I enjoyed. Rest of this can go and fuck itself. That was strange. That's no talk about that. Fucker. I thought horseradish would have been like sweet. First time I've had it. What? It's not sweet. It burns your fucking lips off. Well, that should be banned. Idiots. That should be against the law. An egg's an egg. What? You pickle them?
This is nicer.
Can't believe you tried to shove an egg in my mouth. And the one thing I can't believe, and I really can't believe it, and we're going to get there right now. Put everything back. To the motherfucker, yet again I'm talking to you. I got this. They're like slugs. I had one strict rule. Nothing sluggish. Well, that was eventful.
Next time it's my choice.
No, it's fucking not. You got no chance, Mr. Kelly, because you're fucking torturers. What's that? Oh, you just had a cricket. What's that? Oh, you just had a slug. What's that? You just had me to. No.
No, it has to be food items.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you've enjoyed this little special. It's something that's not going to happen very often.
Just once a week.
As always, love yous, hate yous. Fuck yous! You put a slug in my mouth.
I didn't.
No, you put the slug in your mouth.
I'm
It's not a
not-
slug anyway, it's a mussel.
Yeah, it's from a shell.
Yeah, it's a slug in a shell. It's
No, it's a snail. It's not a snail.
It's exactly like a snail.
Nothing like a snail.
It's like a fucking snail! I might take that home. Stick with some pasta. That
Curry sauce with pasta.
can go back where it came from.
The sour stuff.
That can go in the
Red
bin.
ones.
No,
Right.
they're not going in
That
the bin.
can go in the bin. Then I'll take that too. My lips are still on fire.
You pansy.
Well, I don't like the bits, no. Oh.
Probably should have really shaken it first to get all the bits off the bottom.
Oh.
Yeah.
Right.
Done.
Is that it? Are you going to try the egg again? Don't just pause on us. Try the sriracha again.
I'll chuck it off your fucking head if you want to chuck it off your head.
I'll throw it in my mouth. But try the sriracha again.
No. No. That's stupidity.
So you wouldn't.
Yes, Mr. J. Kelly. Look at me, man. Oh, he's one of them, isn't he? Oh, you're in like. I can take it all like. Because I'm a fucking beast like.
Suitably impressed then, mister?
Alright, I've got a brilliant idea for the next one.
Dorius.
You don't look impressed.
I'm not.
I said, ungrateful. I've just fed you.
I'll fucking feed you.